Hi guys, my name is Joao Gabriel Rocha. I'm with my brother, Pedro Rocha, and I show you one position in the half guard that he have a complete dominion of me, okay? Let's go. Yes. Okay, this position, almost guys don't know what they need to do, okay? Because this is so hard, sweep him here, all right? And I show you one sweep. This is so simple, but it's so effective, you know? And I use this position so much too. I grip his arm here, like triceps, okay? And I move little bit for the another side, like 1, 2, okay? And him hold his force in this side of his body, okay? And the another side, he forget and so light here, all right? Because he have a preoccupation for the another side, all right? And now this moment, there I do 1, 2 steps. I like punch him over his head like this, and the same moment that my hands come down and block his leg here, okay? It's the same moment, you know? Boom, here. Look. 1, 2, 3. And finish the positions the same. The same is he starts this position, okay? I domination him here, okay? Let's go one more. Here, you know, the first thing you need breathe, all right? Because he put his shoulder, right? And he's in your face, you know, and you need breathe and put his shoulder a little bit down and grip, okay? The next step is I move my hip for the other side, you know? Look, my hip is here, okay? I'm close, my half guard, and I move a little bit, I open, and I move a little bit my hip for another side. Look. 1, 2, and the second one, I like punching over his head here, all right? This is no illegal. Please don't punch his face. This is illegal, but over his head is okay. And the same moment, I put down my arm and block his leg here, okay? It's the same moment, it's one movement, you know? Because this, I put the name of this position like one shot, you know? You have just one shot. It's boom, here, and you stay heavy and finish the position.